The food processor is one of the most versatile tools in any home cook's collection of small kitchen appliances. From pesto to salsa fresca, it can turn an arduous knife task into a job finished at the push of a button. The best food processors will cut down your prepping time, so you'll spend less time making your signature spinach dip and more time enjoying it. Hello guys. In this video we're looking at the 5 best food processors of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Culinary Food Processor. We love this model from Culinary, giving it excellent marks across the board. It's quick, efficient, powerful, and, perhaps most importantly, straightforward. There are only 2 buttons and no fussing with confusing settings. The on button keeps the blade spinning, and the off/pulse button runs them only while you hold it down. We got evenly chopped onion, shredded cheese, and sliced zucchini with the Cuisinary's attachments, and we got them safely thanks to a large plunger for pushing food down the chute. There's also a little hole in the plunger that is perfect for slowly drizzling oil into homemade mayonnaise and other emulsified sauces. Our big complaint about this model is that its shredding blade lacks smaller grating holes and the slicer isn't adjustable, giving you less versatility than other processors. We also had to consult the manual to figure out how to fit the blades in place correctly. Number 2. Ninja Plus Food Processor. Despite its budget price, the Ninja Professional Plus can do quite a lot. It includes the standard chopping, shredding, and slicing tools, along with a dull plastic blade for dough. It also offers 3 speed settings to let you choose from slow kneading, medium speed for coarse chopping, or high speed for fine mincing and even pureeing soft fruits. On top of that, everything but the base is dishwasher safe. However, this machine isn't the most efficient. Small amounts can get stuck beneath the high-mounted blade, as when we tried to whip up egg yolk and mustard before starting to add the oil for mayonnaise. The shredding blade also could only shred about half of the 2-ounce blocks of cheese we put in before the rest got lodged in the lid. But with larger amounts of onion and zucchini, we got clean, even cuts. The Ninja's well worth its low price, though its construction is not the best. Number 3. Breville Sous Chef. The Breville Sous Chef lives up to its name, with an array of attachments and accessories for all kinds of food prep tasks. It has the chopping, slicing, and grating blades you'd expect in almost any food processor, but it also includes a dough kneading blade, a tool for dicing, a disc specialized for perfect French fries, a rotating peeler, and even a whisk disc for whipping egg whites in its 16-cup bowl. Plus, you get a separate mini bowl with a tiny blade for small jobs. We got even slicing, shredding, and dicing throughout our tests, and we appreciated the timer mode for precise chopping texture. Cleanup is also simple. Place the removable parts into the dishwasher, and wipe the base clean with a damp cloth. With a price more than double that of the Cuisinaire above, however, the Sous Chef could be overkill for the average cook. But if you're willing to drop the cash, this machine is the most multifunctional of all the models we tested. Number 4. KitchenAid Cup Food Chopper. While this model wasn't part of our full-size food processor tests, it took the top spot when we put mini food processors head-to-head. The design of the KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper is simple, and its powerful blades can do a lot. The tiny machine features 2 speeds, a slower chop and a faster puree, and there's even a drizzle basin in the lid that slowly adds oil for a classic food processor recipe like pesto. If you have a small kitchen or usually cook small portions, it's a great addition to the kitchen. The price is low, and you can even choose from several bright color options to match your kitchen personality. Of course, the downside to a small food processor is that it's small. A couple of large tomatoes could fill the bowl to the brim, which isn't optimal if you plan to make a big batch of something like salsa. You also don't get a shredding or slicing blade or any accessories besides the standard chopping blade. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and I hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.